guys, welcome to my backyard. So I'm enjoying the sun here and I've got the braai going. Yes, this is autumn in South Africa. Alright, so a quick tip. How many of you ever had a hatchet like this where the head has suddenly come loose? Okay, and then you don't know how to repair it. It's a safety hazard and then you end up throwing it away and buying a new one. Okay, and to repair this is actually really easy. Okay, so what you do is you have to remove the plug at the top. Okay, it's usually made of lead or epoxy or something like that. Okay, you can use a screwdriver and just hammer it out basically. What you want to do is you want to expose the wood inside basically so you can see it. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to buy some of this wooden finisher oil like I've got here. Okay, pour it into a container and turn the axe or the hatchet upside down like that into the oil. You want the majority of the head submerged. Obviously, the more you can submerge of the axe or the hatchet, the better. If you can submerge the entire wood piece, then awesome. Okay, I don't have that much amount of oil. Okay, but what will happen over time is the oil will pull into the wood, okay, and the wood will swell, okay. And after about a week, if you take it out, the axe will be back to normal and the head won't move. And you can use it as if it's brand new. You want to get some epoxy putty to repair this, okay. I hope this tip helped you. Enjoy your summer there in the north, guys.